How to disable Hyper-V in Windows 10 or 11. In this video, I will show you two methods on how you can disable Hyper-V in Windows 10 or 11. The first thing you want to do is click on the search bar and search command prompt. Now right click and select run as administrator. Over here, the first prompt you want to add is bcdedit /set hypervision launch type off. Then press enter. This should disable Hyper-V in Windows. If you again want to enable it, type bcdedit /set hypervisual launch type auto and press enter. Now for the next method, you want to click on the search bar again and this time search turn Windows feature on or off. Now from here, find Hyper-V, then simply uncheck this, then click OK. Once that is done, Hyper-V will be successfully disabled in Windows, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.